Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Okay, today I would like to show you some of the basic formulas that are there in Excel. Okay, I've already opened my Excel worksheet. Okay, as you can see in the first column, we have the formulas that are there in Excel, some of it that are mostly used by people. Okay, the first one is add, the second one is subtract, multiply, divide, sum, minimum, maximum, count A, average, median, concatenate, and if. Okay, the first value here is add. Okay, add. Let us just insert some free formulas. We can have 1, 2. Then, if you want to add this one and this, okay, the most if you come to any formula in Excel, you must put the equal sign first. After putting the equal sign first, you highlight the value, the cell that has the first value, which is B1, then plus the cell that has the second value, which is C2, and then enter. So you can see 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have added 1 and 2. It's just simple like as that. Okay, the second formula we have subtract. Okay, let's say 4 and 2 in the second cell. So if you want to subtract 4 and 2, we can put the equal sign first, then select the first cell, then minus the second cell which has 2, then enter. So if we are right, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, the third formula we have multiply, or we can put 2 and 2 in the second cell. Then if you want to multiply 2 and 2, we'll have is equal for sign, then select the first cell. Then okay, in multiplication we'll not put the exact sign which is times, but we'll put a star or escalate. So in this case mine is that. So and then I'll select the second cell, which is C3, sorry, and then I press enter. Okay, so 2 times 2 is basically 4. So the fourth formula is divide. So in divide, let's put here 4 and even here 2. So if you want to divide 4 and 2, we have an equal sign, then select the first cell, then the divide sign here is the backward slash in our computer, which is that one. Then I'll select the second cell, then press enter. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, the third one we have sum. Okay, in sum we'll put an equal sign, then write sum, then open the bracket. Then in sum, if you want to sum all of these from B1 up to C up to D4, we'll just have to highlight all of them. After highlighting, we close the bracket, then press enter. So basically, if you sum all of these formulas from B1 to D4, you'll find that is 30. Okay, the next formula we have minimum. So in minimum, we'll put equal sign, then we write min, then open the bracket, then the minimum value. Okay, the minimum value from B1 to D4, we'll select all of these, then close the bracket, then press enter. Okay, you'll find that the minimum value from here up to D4, it's 1. That's the minimum value. Okay, the next one, the next formula, we have maximum. So maximum will also put equal sign, maxi, open the bracket, then select the cell from B1 to D4, then close the bracket, and then press enter. So you will find the maximum value from B1 to D4 is 4. That's how you find the maximum value. Okay, in count, coming to the next formula, which is count, or in count will have equal sign, type count, open the bracket, then if you want to count the cells that have a number, we'll highlight the first cell, which is B1, up to the last cell, which is D4, then close the bracket, then press enter. So it has basically counted the numbers from cell 1, which is B1, to the last cell, which is D4, meaning that the cells that contain the numbers here are 12. Okay, count A, let's write this other side to be Dennis. Okay, after writing Dennis, so count A basically count all the cells that has a value, not basically the numbers but the values. It is different from count, where count only counts the cells that has numbers, but in count A it counts all the cells that has values. So we'll basically write equal sign, then write count A, open the bracket, then highlight all of this, then close the bracket, then press enter. So you'll basically find that all the cells that has a value are 13, including the cell F3, which I've written Dennis. Okay, the next formula, we have average. Okay, to work out this formula of average, okay, first of all, let me write some of the values here. Let's say the basic income for 4 people are 10,000, 10,000, 11,000, 20,000, and even 30,000. So if you want to find the average of this income, we'll come here and write equal sign, average, open the bracket, then select the cells with the incomes, then close the bracket and press enter. So you'll find that the average of these incomes, these 4 incomes, is 17,750. That's the easy way we find average. Okay, coming to medium, medium is the number at the middle of the values that are listed. So let's add here 40,000. So if you want to find the medium, we'll write equal sign, median, open the bracket, highlight the values that you want to find the median from, then close, sorry about that. Okay, highlight the values, then close, then press enter. You'll find that the number which is in the middle is 20,000. So that's how we find